Hi, Esther here with Writer Software's Route Simplified on the desktop. We will go over the basic settings for your account. Now let's sign in. Your main screen will show your scheduled routes. On the side, you can see routes, customers, reports, and company settings. Under company settings, we will see general. This is where your basic company information goes. That includes your logo, company name, contact information, collection service time, measurement system, and collection measurement type, plus any defaults that you would like to add. Users is where you will add your drivers and managers. Once you add them as users, make sure they accept the invite so that they too can use the software. You will add your company vehicles under Vehicles. The depots is where you will add your storage depots. Containers need to be added, as well as their capacity. These are necessary for you to build routes. As you can see, Route Simplified is just as its name describes. I look forward to making more videos to help you and your company get the most out of this software. Join us again for our next installment in the series where we focus on route building and driver interaction. Thank you.